ant infestation. I don't know if you can still tell that my face looks a little botched, but it's a little swollen on this side still. I had my wisdom teeth pulled a couple weeks back, and it was just a really bad experience and a really long recovery. I kind of have a busy day, so this video is sponsored. And when you have a sponsorship, so if you like kind of want to get into YouTube or you're just curious how this all works, I can kind of explain. You need to send in your video for approval a couple days before. And my wisdom tooth recovery has taken way longer than expected. It's been over 2 weeks since I got them pulled, and I'm still swollen, which is just like not normal. I have to film an Instagram reel, which I've never done. This video is sponsored by Patrick Ta, which I'm so excited to show you. I mean, that's just like a dream sponsorship because I'm obsessed with his beauty brand. They are called the All Over Glow Bomb. They're for your face and for your body. I'm gonna use it on my body since I'm filming a skincare video after this because I want it to look really sexy and shiny and beautiful. And then we have the little body brush, which I actually already own one, but this is the new one they sent. These are the two shades. This is She's Glossy and this is She's on Vacation. One is just like a really nice shimmer pink, and then this is clearly very bronzy. So this is intended to create a glass-like glow. You know when you see people on the red carpet and they just look like so shiny and sexy and their legs are gorgeous and you're like, how do people do that? This is how. This is the secret. It's infused with jojoba and shea butter, which is really hydrating. I'll show you guys both because I feel like you kind of want to see both if you're looking to purchase. So we'll start with the lighter one. And I'm just gonna take it on my brush and do it on my arm here. Oh my god. Instant. Really does give you like a glass-like finish. See that? I also love this body brush. It's so dense, so it just really seamlessly applies the product. It's really soft at the same time, but it's not like aggressive on your skin. I'm gonna show you guys this bronzy color as well. This is just perfect for the summer. You can also combine these, but see, instantly it gave me a little bit of color. It's nothing scary or intimidating. This is what I should have been using all along because I'm so pale. But I think my favorite thing is just it's really moisturizing. Okay, I'm gonna do my chest because now I'm just getting carried away. You guys, are you kidding me? This is insane. I think I want to marry him if he was straight for making this product. Now I'm gonna go to my bathroom. I have a little setup and I'm going to film for a different brand. I'm also leaving for the East Coast tomorrow, so I need to pack tonight and I just have to get all this type of stuff done before I go. I'm glowing. This is definitely strange, but for some reason when I'm filming like a skincare video, I like when my hair is wet. So I'm just gonna like wet it in the shower, but I'm not even gonna shower right now. Just finished that video. I'm gonna go downstairs into my office and airdrop everything and start to edit it, so I'll bring you with me. Okay, I'm freezing. I threw on my bathrobe, painted my office. So I'm actually in the middle of redoing my office right now. It's really cute. And then this is supposed to hang against the wall, but it also is like a nice little ring light. Pretty much every morning since I've had wisdom tooth surgery, I eat this. And I just let it sit in the almond milk for a few minutes till it's a little soft. Which might sound gross, but it's kind of good. Or maybe I'm just used to it, but I don't know. I love cereal, and I forgot how much I love cereal until I got my wisdom teeth pulled. Okay, quick little haul. I am signed up to Vivrel, which you can rent bags for however long you want, and then you send them back and you just pay a monthly fee. I honestly forgot I was a member for the last 5 years, so that was a giant waste of money, but now I remembered. So I got this bag, which I'm probably gonna bring on my travels because it's big. Maybe I'll wear this one to lunch today. I got a sweater from Reformation and a dress from Ref as well. I'm just gonna wear this to lunch, and I'm gonna use this bag. It's very casual. I feel like my issue with this website is I have attachment problems. I'm gonna have a hard time giving them back. Wallet, sunglasses, lip liners. Simple. I'm currently on my way to go pick up one of my best friends for lunch, and then we're gonna go pick up our other best friend from work, and then I think we're just gonna go to Erewhon or something kind of simple because I still can't eat like salads and like most lunch foods, so I'll probably just get like a smoothie and they'll probably get food. Maybe the chicken if I cut it really small. I would love chicken. Look at this chic little outfit. Working girl. Working lady. Working girl. Not working. But still cutie. I don't. Do you want to use my sweater?
No. I'll use my sweater.
We finished lunch.
Dropped our friend at work.
Dropped our friend at work. Now it's the two of us. And I'm gonna see if this person lets me make a left. And incoming, the camera might fly at you. Are you really not gonna let me in? Wow, you're rude, sir.
And it did.
Anyway.
Okay, you can take a right.
Where? Here? Let's tell them the story of how we met.
Oh my god. It wasn't us, it was our parents.
Bella's grandpa
Mm-hmm.
was what?
Director.
Was the director on Full House. And my mom and her dad knew each other forever.
Well, my grandpa and your mom, my dad, obviously my grandpa's son, and would come to set.
Yeah, so they were kids like our age.
Yeah, Liv's mom knew I was getting, getting engaged to my dad before my mom knew. True. Because my dad told her.
Sorry, lady.
And then we didn't like have to be friends though, because they were like friendly, but then we went to the same elementary school, and then it just...
And we've been best friends ever since. Mm-hmm. Isn't that fun?
Our whole friend group is that way though.
Yeah.
Like we've all just been friends.
Yeah, we've really all have been best friends since we were like 5.
Yeah. Well, always gonna go flying. It's a good camera.
I have to go home and pack. What are you doing today? Oh.
I'm gonna go home and read and tan back.
Oh, Bella has a really good book rec.
Oh yeah, in 5 years. I feel like a lot of people have read it. Oh shit, sorry. Bye, turn left.
No, Bella! My set is aloe, if anyone cares. Okay, let's go. Sorry, I didn't film my workout. Just a little incline walk while I edited this video. This is a very chatty video. I've realized I haven't done this since I was a little bit younger, so it's nice. It's weird. I feel like I'm used to being a little bit more quiet. But I hope I'm not boring you. I need to pack, so that's what I'm gonna do. I might bring this if it's warm. I need to check the weather. I can't tell if this is cute or weird. I think it's cute. I don't know, what do you think? Pretty much done packing. I just have to do the toiletries. I'm barely taking anything. I'll probably take like concealer, my contour stick, my lip liner, my little freckle pen, and some brow product. And then for skincare, I'll just do my basics. I'll show you what I'm bringing. I'm having a fairly chill week and weekend, so I don't really need anything crazy. Taking my own product that I'm working on to continue testing. I'm just gonna grab a cleanser, a moisturizer, and that should be it. I'm keeping it fairly simple. Also, I noticed something. When I got my wisdom teeth pulled, I was very unwell and I like didn't even do skincare. So maybe I took like a little micellar water on my skin, but I wasn't wearing makeup and I wasn't leaving the house. So I would pretty much just go to bed. My skin has never looked better. I didn't break out. My eczema was gone. So I think less is more sometimes. I have to show you this scarf my mom got me first. It's a little Italian lady tanning and it says La Dolce Vita, and it's such a me scarf. It's from a brand called Hartford, in case you care. I'm so excited to wear it. This will be my summer scarf. It has like Positano on it and all my favorite places in Italy. Italy's like the one place that I genuinely feel feeds my soul. I don't know if it's because I'm part Italian and that's just like in my blood, but gotta cut this tag. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna show you some of the things I got from Kukai, the Australian website I always talk about. This is one of the tops. I am so pale, but it's really cute. I like that it kind of has like a, whatever that is. I love it. It's such a nice length. It's soft. It's really flattering. It's also from Kukai and it's just really flattering. The neck is really pretty. It's full length. I just feel like sexy and classy. I feel like that's kind of in my mid-20s. The vibe I want to put out is just classy and confident. Same brand. Then we have this top. I really love this color. I have this top in black, so I knew I loved how it fit me already. Same top in tan. I'm a creature of habit, if you can't tell. Okay, then I just have a plain white t-shirt. I feel like it's good to just have one that's just like form-fitting and flattering, and I'm covering my nipples. We have this top. This is really nice. It's so simple. Just a black tank top, but I like how it scoops. I just like the fit of this. I also got it in white, but you get the gist. I'm not gonna try both on. This dress is also really cute. It just has little buttons and it's maxi dress. I just put it with a little heel to see, but I'm so sorry for this mess, but we're just cleaning as we go. It's raw, it's vulnerable. It's just a nice, cute little brown silk set. And then it has matching pants. I honestly have no recollection of purchasing this, but I must have. I've never heard of the brand. It's called Campbell and Kramer, and it's my favorite color, yellow, so I think I probably saw it on an Instagram ad or something and ordered it. This is the brand. It's so soft and it's so cute. I love this. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm rushing to the airport. I'm kind of getting all my final things together. Okay, I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm rushing to the airport. Okay, I have to go. Thanks for watching. Love you.